Have you invested your hard-earned money in options trading only to be disappointed with the results? Was the training you paid for too complicated? Have you reached out for help and no one responded? I understand. My name is Carl Dahm, and for the past 25 years, I've figured out how to successfully trade options only after investing in many programs that were too complicated and didn't provide the support needed and cost thousands of dollars. Frustrated by the big lies many options trading training programs sell, I decided to do something about it. What I did was this. I invested in and spent thousands of dollars and hours in options trading programs that worked, but were too complicated for anyone but a rocket scientist or a PhD to master. I simplified a way to get results from options trading by following 5 simple steps anyone can do. I performed more than 300 backtests on different approaches and picked the best one for you. I created reviews of other options trading programs, exposing the real truth about them. And I don't want another person to invest time and money in programs that simply don't work. Those other people who developed options trading programs hate me. They hate me for exposing the truth. I'm their enemy number one, but I don't care because I want to level the playing field. Don't believe the big lies other options trading trainers tell you. They say you'll double your money, but you won't. Average hedge fund returns were less than 5% per year over the last 10 years. And the S&P 500 average returns have been approximately 8%. One other thing, these other trading program instructors never show their P&L. How can you begin to believe them without them showing their real results? As I told you, no options instructor will show their P&L, but I will. I'm an open book. And here's a real look into my computer screen showing the results I've been getting consistently. And the first thing I want to do is kind of look over the statistics on this system. You can see that this was back-tested. This is the system here, back-tested starting in 2011 to present. And you can see the returns here. Annualized return of 14.5%. I like to compare this to the S&P 500. Let me go pull that up. You can see the S&P 500, this is the same time frame and the comparison, and you can see the results here. Now one of the main things that I look at is the 9.74%. And remember the 5-step options trading success program, back tested and forward tested, but it back tested mainly to the 14.5% return. One of the main things you want to look at here, 20% drawdown. So if you were in the S&P, you would have said, let's say you had $100,000, your $100,000 would have turned into $80,000 at one point because of your drawdown. Now if we go back to the 5-step options trading success program, you can see that the maximum drawdown is only 4%. So if you started with $100,000, you might have saw that go down to $96,000. Not significant. Here's my real money account. You can see that starting on the 16th of June is when I placed my first 5-step trade, and we can see that we came all the way through today, which is the 26th of August. You can see the actual trades made in the account. Now you can see the actual account here again, and this is starting from the 16th when I started, $14,567, and you can see my equity curve here, not a lot of drawdowns, insignificant, and you come till today and we have a balance of 14,809 trading with this system live. Okay, let's go over the numbers real quick with the 5-step options trading success program. This is based on real money performance, and remember, I am not a licensed financial advisor. I cannot guarantee results. So I've been back testing and trading for over 25 years. I understand risk and I understand options trade structures. The last 10 years of backtesting results show the trade structure can do well in any market environment. So I've taken 4 real money trades since I've developed the trade. Trade 1 lasted 14 days before I hit profit. Trade 2, 14 days before I hit profit. Trade 3 took 20 days to hit profit. And I'm currently in trade number 4, which is 22 days in the trade. That one hasn't closed out yet. Now I started with $14,567 and now have $14,809. That's up $242 in 71 calendar days. So if you take those numbers, that's a 1.66% return, and you take the days of the year and you get a multiplier, and if you extrapolate that out, that's 8.53% return. Now remember, I started with 14,567, but I recommend doing one tranche for every $8,000 you have in the account. So if you were trading 8,000, your returns would be 1.82 times greater, or you'd be looking at a 15.52% return. Now, if you want to get aggressive and take a possible 8% drawdown rather than a 4% drawdown, you can double these numbers and your returns can be 17.06% to 31.04% with very conservative drawdowns. If you're wondering how I developed a system to deliver these results, one of the things I did was backtest more than 300 different approaches based on real market data for the past 10 years. From testing all these approaches, I picked what will consistently give both of us the best results. So you see, regardless of market conditions, I picked a system that will work consistently. What could be better than that? When people fail with these other programs, the people who bought them get blamed for not following their complicated systems. To make matters even worse, reaching them for help is next to impossible. I want to put an end to this insanity. It has to stop, and that's why I developed my 5-step options trading success program. If you're looking to double your return, you can stop watching me now because you won't get this from my program. What you will get is a sustainable, realistic return that outperforms the market. What you won't get is more empty promises. When you click the Get Instant Access button below, here's what you will receive. Training you can master in less than a week or 2 of study, easy access, 24/7 videos walking you through my step-by-step method, my private email address where you can send me any questions you have. I'm always available to support you since your success means my success. Here's what Nathan from Sacramento, California had to say about my 5-step options trading success program.
It really has changed my opinion about what's possible with options, in the sense that you can have something that's still very correlated to the market, and you can benefit from the upside and while being protected from the downside. So that's pretty, that was a big mentality shift for me, really, that something like that was possible.
Imagine what life would be like if you stopped struggling to learn options trading and started seeing your bank account grow from my proven approach. Think about how you'll feel as you earn additional income without the large drawdowns. You're probably wondering about now how much your investment is in my simple 5-step options trading program. The special program price is $1,497, money you could make back in a short period of time. In addition, if you sign up now while this special offer is still available, you'll also get these bonuses. You'll get my book, A Portfolio for All Markets, in Kindle and audiobook version. Once your account grows, this is an introduction to a more advanced trading systems. You will normally pay over $30 for this. You'll also get free access to my private Real P&L Insiders Options Trading Facebook group. This is good for beginners all the way to advanced options traders. Here I will answer any options trading related questions that you have. This also includes over-the-shoulder recordings of me using the 5-step options trading success program system. You'll see what I'm doing and the results I'm getting in a real account. Just watching these videos will get you even more excited about the wise investment you've made in this system. This is yours free, although you'd normally pay $297 a month for this access. Add all this up and you'd pay $1,824. But as a special member of my program, you will only invest $1,497. That's a savings of $327. To get this course now and begin trading options the easy way, simply click the Get Instant Access button below. If you're sick and tired of being confused about learning how options trading really works, if you don't want to be lied to and want to get a system that really works, if you want to get ongoing support, I suggest you click the Get Instant Access button below. Imagine finally succeeding with options trading. Eric Ross once said, "Our lives are defined by opportunities, even the ones we miss." Don't miss out on this opportunity to get an options training program that will really work for you. Click the Get Instant Access button below.